how to remove the patient's pants using sliding material. Start by folding the sliding material in 10 cm wide folds. Then place the sliding material with the fold down. Grab the fold and pull simultaneously. This unfolds the sliding material against the skin. Make sure that the sliding material area covers the lower body and up to the middle of the back. Start by folding the sliding material around the trouser's edge. Then fold the trouser's edge around and pull the edge downwards. If the task feels heavy, an extra layer sliding material under the patient can help. The extra layer reduces the friction between the mattress and the trouser, whereas using one layer only reduces the friction between the skin and the trousers. For more videos and information, go to mastercare.dk or call us. We're ready to help you.